Hello and welcome to Comprehensible British English. I'm Dylan and today is a very special day. Today is Pancake Day. So I'm going to be showing you how to make donuts. No, I'm going to be showing you how to make pancakes. So here we have the ingredients we need. We need milk, we need egg, and we need flour. So I'm going to be mixing the eggs, the flour, and the milk into what's called a batter. And from the batter, I'll be making some traditional British pancakes. Okay, so I've got my bowl. This is a bowl here, and I'm going to add some flour to the bowl, and I'm going to add an egg to the bowl. And before I add the milk, I'm going to mix the egg and the flour together. So do that first, and then I shall slowly be adding the milk. Okay, so I've got, you can see the egg and the flour here. What I'm going to do, you can see, I'm going to mix them with this, which is a whisk. I'm going to mix them together, and then afterwards I'm going to start adding the milk. Okay, you see, so I'm mixing them together. What I'm going to do now is gradually add milk, just a little bit at a time, and then mix it in. Ooh. Mix it in gradually. Now, as you add the milk, the batter will get lighter. The batter will get lighter as you add the milk, and thinner. So it's quite thick when it's just the egg. It's just the egg and the flour. But it'll get thinner. It's much thinner than a lot of other kinds of pancakes. A lot of other kinds of pancakes, American pancakes, for example, are much thicker. Okay, so now it's nearly all mixed together. Okay, so now we got our mix already, our batter. I'm going to leave it to rest, to sit for about half an hour. So 30 minutes, half an hour. I'm going to leave it to rest, and then I'm going to take one of these, which is a frying pan. It's a bit more like a wok, this one, but I'll use it as a frying pan. And I'm going to put the batter in the pan. I'm going to heat the pan, heat it so it's hot, and then I'm going to pour some of the batter into the pan. And I should get, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 pancakes out of this one mix. So we're going to let it rest and we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so you can see I've got the pan here, and I'm heating it up. You don't want it to be too hot, but on the other hand, you don't want it to be not hot enough, if you see what I mean, too cold, if that's the right word. You want it to be quite hot, but not really, really hot. Quite hot, but not really, really hot. So the pancakes will cook, but they won't burn. They won't burn. You don't want burnt pancakes. Okay, so yeah, the oil is heating, and in a second I'll take some batter. And I'll take a spoonful and a bit just to fill the bottom of the pan, and then then they'll cook. So this is something I forgot to add to the batter. Salt. You see, salt. So I'm just going to put some salt in to give it a bit of flavour. So the pan is heated up. I've got the batter, which you see is almost liquid, almost a liquid, and I'm going to spoon it into the pan. Okay, so here goes. Going to start putting. So you want to fill the bottom of the pan with the batter, as much as possible. Really, I need a proper ladle, but I don't have one, so I'm just using this spoon at the moment. Big spoon. I'm using a big spoon. Okay. So what's going to happen is that they'll start cooking, and you'll see bubbles. You can probably already see some bubbles forming in the mixture. And at some point, it'll start to become solid, so that when you shake the pan, the pancake will slide from side to side. If you see now, it's a bit, as you can see, it's still liquid, so we need to give it some time to cook. So you can see the pancake has lots of bubbles on it, got lots of bubbles, and you can move it around a bit in the pan. So now comes the fun and exciting part. Okay, so I've got my pancake here, and the fun bit is what's called tossing the pancake. So I'm going to throw the pancake in the air from the pan and hope that it turns over. It turns over so that the other side of the pancake can cook. Wish me luck. Oh, look at that. And can you see the pancake? It's quite nice. Looks quite nice. That went better than I expected. So now we just leave it. We leave it to cook the other side of the pancake. So my pancake is now ready. You see that? Oh, it looks all right, I think. Looks okay. I shall be trying it in a minute. I'm going to eat some of it in a minute. Okay, so a lot of people, when they have pancakes, they put this, which is lemon juice. Lemon juice from a lemon. People put lemon juice on them. They put syrup. Some people put sugar, some people put sugar and lemon juice. So I'm just going to put a bit of lemon juice on my pancake. Here we go, just put a little bit on there to give it some flavour. Okay, so now comes the grand test. Is my pancake any good? Let's have a go. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. Oh. I'm joking. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, very nice. Very, very pleased with the way that came out. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching, and leave a comment as to what you think about British pancakes and British food in general. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.